Select the clip in your timeline and hold down the Alt key or Option key, then drag this clip to duplicate just like this. Now go to the Color tab. Here right click on your node, hover over on Add Node and add a serial node. And then from this toolbox select this window tool, and now select option to select your face. So I'm selecting this circle shape, and now go ahead and select your face, and then click this tracker tool, and here select frame, and then click on track forward and reverse, and this will track your video face from entire video. And then go to the effects tab and search for mosaic blur and add the mosaic blur effect to your node. And now go ahead and adjust the blur amount using this pixel frequency.